George Santos making his first court appearance today since being expelled from Congress.
Prosecutors confirmed that they're working on a plea deal with Santos. Jody Goldberg was inside the courtroom and has the latest.
Ex-Congressman George Santos' court conference was over in less than 30 minutes, but in that time we learned there's talk about a potential guilty plea. Prosecutors also asked the judge to move up his September trial date.
He's not going to trial.
Criminal prosecutor Randy Zellin says it's no surprise Santos is in plea negotiations, adding only a small percentage of federal cases actually go to trial. Santos, who was expelled from Congress following a bombshell House ethics report, pleaded not guilty to a 23-count indictment. Charges include conspiracy and wire fraud. He faces 22 years in prison if convicted.
I would feel a hell of a lot better if I were George Santos and George Santos's lawyer, if I were able to get the government to agree to ask the judge to weigh in on what my sentence would be.
Santos's attorney, who's bringing on another law firm to assist with the case, told the judge an earlier trial date wouldn't give them enough time to review the more than 1.3 million documents the government handed over. Santos asked reporters inside the courthouse to take a break from saying his name. He wished everyone a happy holiday, didn't stop to comment as he left. However, he did tell Fox 5 after he will eventually try to go back to Congress.
The haters are going to hate.
Santos's video messages on Cameo are now going for $500 each. This as Democratic nominee Tom Suozzi launched what he hopes will be his comeback campaign ahead of the February special election. The Republicans have vetted more than 20 candidates and expect to announce their nominee later this week.
We've had 3 red waves in a row on Long Island, and this seat, the registration does favor a Democrat.
Santos is due back in court on January 23rd. Plea negotiations are expected to continue. The judge did say she would consider moving up the trial if an earlier date becomes available. We're outside a federal court in Central Islip. Jody Goldberg, Fox 5 News.